Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. Appreciate you stopping by. Today I'm going to keep it just a real quick video. I wasn't prepared to do a video, but here we go. We are going to just update this Dollar Tree welcome sign. This was a $5 purchase at the Dollar Tree Plus. You're going to need some Dollar Tree accoutrements, as shown there. And all we're going to do literally is fill in those spaces where they painted in the decorations. We're going to make those real 3D decorations. So here I'm just using the Dollar Tree garland and just going to kind of bend it up to make it a little thicker, make it look a little bit more real, I guess. If that's true, I don't know, but that's what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to use the garland. I'm going to use some of the picks that they had at Dollar Tree. I think actually all of this stuff was Dollar Tree, I think. And just going to put it in the way I like. Now the good thing about this is the sign is already good to go. Like, you don't have to do anything. You could literally just put it outside and be fine. But I always got to do that extra, so I had to dig out some goods that I found in the garage right now. Everything in the craft room is still in the garage, so slowly I'm making it over into the craft room. Anyway, so here I am, just gluing some flowers on, some poinsettias on, and then I'm going to glue some of that garland on underneath. And this is all it's going to be. We're just going to glue some stuff on the sign, and it's going to be done. Probably 10 minutes is what it took me, mostly because I couldn't decide where I wanted stuff, or what I wanted and where it was supposed to go. And I should apologize for the camera angle. I don't have any of my setup. I don't even have lights. But the craft room is so bright because they've got 5,000 lights in that room. It's wonderful. So I apologize for the angle. It's literally my phone is sitting on some packing boxes. That's what we get here. So anyway, just wanted to mention that. But go ahead. You should probably just go ahead and like the video. I mean, I tried, right? I tried. Like the video, subscribe, do all the regular YouTube stuff. I appreciate it. Felt like there was a blank spot, so I had to put a little pine cone here. I'm putting a little pine cone where I put the berries, and that added a little bit more dimension to the sign. So I love that. And that's it, guys. Like, literally, I glued on some picks and some garland onto a Dollar Tree sign. This is truly a Dollar Tree sign. Well, maybe one of the pine cones. That pine cone right there might not be from Dollar Tree. But you see what I mean. Come on, this is adorable. I love it. And so I actually, this is Monday night right now as I'm recording this. And I put it outside. It's sitting outside my door right now on my little porch. I thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts today. If you would be so kind as to go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've seen these signs at Dollar Tree. They're probably all well gone now because I think I got this back in September probably, I don't know. So leave a comment and then go ahead and subscribe. You guys are so sweet. I'm over 200 and some subscribers. I love that. I appreciate y'all so much. Remember, it doesn't hurt to subscribe. You may as well go ahead and do it. Also, please do remember to always appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Y'all have a great one.